Welcome. In today's video, we're going to guide you through the step-by-step process of verifying your Discord account using your phone number. This updated method makes it easy to enhance your account security and enjoy a smoother experience on the platform. Let's dive right in. First, open the Discord app on your Android device. Once you're logged in, look for the U option at the bottom right corner of your screen and tap on it. This will take you to your profile. Next, to access the settings, tap the gear icon located at the top right of your profile page. This will open a menu filled with various options to customize your Discord experience. Now, scroll down and tap on Account to access your account settings. Here, you'll see several options related to your profile and security. The next step is crucial. Tap on Phone. This is where you'll add your phone number for verification. Once you're on the phone settings page, enter your phone number carefully, ensuring you've selected the correct country code, then tap Next at the bottom of the screen. After you've submitted your phone number, you'll receive a verification code via SMS. When you have that code, go back to the Discord app. There, simply tap Confirm to finalize the verification process. And that's it. You've successfully verified your Discord account using your phone number. This added layer of security not only protects your account, but also helps you regain access in case you forget your password. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more helpful guides. Happy chatting on Discord.